So this is an informal analysis of Detroit Industry North Wall by Rivera. Before we get into the elements of design, I would just like to take a look at the picture, which is a connection between nature and technology. And you can see at the top up here is giving a mountain or giving outside basically, and also right here. And then here you have all the machines, you have men working. It's basically like a factory. And technology doesn't have to necessarily mean phones or computers. The machines are technology because they have like a sensor or a program to go by so things can come out right. So this right here is the technology part, and then these two sections right here are the nature part. So by this, you can tell by the veins or the motion of the man's arms right here that there's many lines with them. Also, sorry, you can tell with the shapes that there are many different shapes. Like here's a rectangle, here's some unsymmetrical quad shapes, here's another rectangle, here's a circle. If you turn it around, it could be an oval. You have some squares down here, etc. There's also unity in this picture with the men, like the men and their clothing. There's also a variety of shapes. It's just not a circle or just an oval or just squares. If you look around, you could quite frankly see almost every kind of shape. I would not say I would see like a hexagon or anything like that. Trapezoid, I personally don't see those, but if you do, then yes, there is a variety of shapes. And sorry, there is a lot of emphasis on the men below since they take up like half of the image already. So you can just see them when you first look at this. You don't notice all of this. You notice these men right here working. You have men right here. You have men here. You have men here, here, everywhere. You have men everywhere. So this is clearly much what Diego wanted to portray. Also, throughout the painting, there is a repetition of color and shapes. Here, we see the bottom rectangle, square, square, rectangle, square, square. Right. And then the men with their clothing, they're wearing the same overalls, same blue overalls, some wearing yellow, some, but they have the same blue overalls on, and some of them might have the same shirt. Like this guy right here has the same shirt as this guy right here. Also, the the directional force in this would be the arms of the working man and the way they're being and the way the men are facing. There's also a lot of contrast between the shapes and the size of machines. The balance of this painting is asymmetrical, and the space and proportion of it is 22 feet tall and 73 feet wide.